So we have another new product this year that we're really excited about, and it's called an Inspirational Classroom Header, and it's right above me. This one says Choose Happy. And I love putting these above like whiteboards or in those spaces that you don't know what to do with. It's beautiful and it makes an impact when you walk in the room. This particular product is actually called a UCUT. So we've done the printing for you, so you don't have to go enlarge this anywhere. Typically if you want a digital product bigger, you'd have to go to a printing facility and have it enlarged. We've enlarged it for you. It comes on large bulletin board sheets, and you cut it out yourself. That's how we got the name UCUT. And so it's a cross between a digital product and a physical product. You have to do the cutting yourself, but it's really nice because the sheets fit a laminator perfectly. So you can just slide it on through a laminator and then cut, and then you can put it up and your room looks beautiful. So really excited about this one, an Inspirational Classroom Header.